Hey, imagine that. Another flat tire out at the ranch. Okay, so here is a 2007 Chevy Duramax, and you have to unlock your thing to access this. You have to use the square end without any balls in it to put up in there as the key. Guys, quit barking. And then use that to lower the tire down. Once you get this down, to get the tire out of this interlocking thing, you have to kind of lift the tire up to be able to spin that thing out at the right angle, or you'll sit there forever trying to figure out how in the heck does it come out. Then you take the jack that came with the vehicle and you throw it in a pile of rubbish because it's complete garbage after about 2 or 3 tire changes, and you go find a jack that'll actually work. After finding a 40-year-old jack that still works, yep, they don't make things like they used to, you realize that it's too tall to get it up underneath there anywhere where you can lift the vehicle without doing damage, because everything's made of plastic on the outside and isn't going to hold the weight. So you throw that back in the pile of rubbish where you found it, and you call for help.